Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to write TradingView indicators. First, open TradingView and navigate to the Pine editor, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll write all your code. Begin by defining the script version and the indicator's name. Then, you can start adding simple plotting functions to visualize data on your chart. This foundational step is crucial for building any custom tool. Once in the Pine editor, you'll use /at version to specify the Pine script version, like 5. The indicator function sets the name and properties of your tool. To make your indicator flexible, use input for user-adjustable settings, such as a moving average length of 20. Finally, plot is essential for displaying lines or shapes directly on your chart, making your data visible and actionable. To make your indicator truly powerful, incorporate conditional logic using if statements. This allows your script to react to specific market conditions, like price crossing a moving average. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you when these conditions are met, ensuring you never miss a potential trade. Remember to backtest your indicator thoroughly on historical data to validate its effectiveness before live application. After developing your indicator, rigorous testing is paramount to ensure it functions as intended and is free of errors. Once you are confident in its performance, you can publish it to the TradingView community, sharing your creation with other traders. This allows for feedback and collaboration, enhancing your script further. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other deals. It's a fantastic addition to any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.